This is the way going to the virtual Nations Park as a and this next way is going to the Barangay Taplan National High School. This is the Barangay Taplan Bridge. Okay. Let's experience the beauties of the virtual Nations Park and last resort. This is the virtual falls. This is the virtual rock formation.
Roni, pakita diri, Roni, pakita.
This is the virtual monument.
Di ba kurang kita? Roni, pakita di Ron.
Virtual Mena Forest.
Ayaw.
This is the virtual theater and the virtual mountain. This is the virtual fishing village and the amazing hotel. This is the virtual paradise. This is the virtual roller coaster.
Taj Mahal.
The virtual Nature's Park and known to be famous, the place is often settled. The tempting spot did not escape everyone's attention. Also, the dancers and singers of the virtual theater caught everyone's attention and received a warm applause. The landmark of the virtual Nature's Park and Splash Resort is in the center of the resort. You can also experience the beauties of this resort, like falls, rocks formation, virtual chapel, hotel, the mini forest, fishing village, roller coaster, adventures, and virtual paradise. In this resort, you can relax and enjoy your happiest moment with your loved ones and also your family. So, Virtual Nature's Park and Splash Resort invites you to come and experience the beauty of this resort. Hurry now!
This is the brochure of Boracay Beach Resort.
Boracay?
This is the gate of Boracay Beach Resort. By Sand Beach, you will enjoy the vacation here. The different activity and rides of Boracay Beach. What are you waiting for? Come and enjoy your day. And you can see this is the food you can eat in the eating restaurant of Boracay. Serve you a delicious and nutritious food. It is so affordable to the whole family. So come here and enjoy the beach of Boracay Beach Resort. And you can see the beautiful water makes you feel satisfied when you are wakeboarding and scuba diving.
Yaba mo
And it's relaxing if you can see the most beautiful coral cleanliness of water and different fish. So come in and try the scuba diving of Boracay. And this is the beautiful resort of Boracay. It is a place with different unique views surrounding and foundation. And this is the map of the Boracay. And explore and enjoy.
Wait, duki na lang.